Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplustools.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math, and the lessons we're going to cover today are price lists, unit prices, unit prices with unit conversions, and unit prices find the total prices. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, so let's just start with the lesson. So here I'm on grade 7 math. The chapter we're going to start with is consumer math. Let's just start with the lesson, that is price. Let's just start with the first example. Scott has $8. Does he have enough to buy a paperback book and coloring book? So he have to buy the paperback back book, that is $1.32. This is actually the price list, right? Where the prices of every items are mentioned. So that is the price list. So the paperback book is $1.32 and the coloring book is 6.78. Just add these prices and see if he can buy in $8. 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 1, 11, 1 and 1 carry. 6, 7, 8. So that is $8.10. The prices of these two collectively are $8.10, but he have $8. That means no, he don't have enough money to buy paperback book and coloring book. Got it? Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself. They are already solved, right? Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. How much more does a set of dishes cost than a baking dish? Okay, so the set of dishes is 98.37. Hold on. Okay, the set of dishes is 98.37 and the baking dish is 15.26. You have to see how much more the set of dishes than baking dish. So just subtract the price of the baking dish out of the set of dishes. So set of dishes is 98.37. Just take away 15.2. 7 take away 6 is 1. 3 take away 2 is 1. 8 take away 5 is 3 and 9 take away 1 is 8. So the correct option is $83.11. That is option number 1 is the correct option. That means the set of dishes cost $83.11 more than baking dish. So the correct option is option number 1. How much money does Jaden need to buy an autoclave and a scale? So which is the correct option? So that is autoclave and a scale, right? The autoclave is for $113, right? You can see here the price that is $113 and the scale is 568. Just add the prices so that you can know how much money Jaden need, right? 8 and 3 11, 1 1 carry, 6 and 1 7 and 1 8 and 5 and 1 6. That means Jaden needs $681 to buy these two things, right? So the correct option is $681. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, let's just move on to next one. The next one is Billy has $94. Does he have enough money to buy a ballet ticket and a concert ticket? So which is the correct option? Let's just add the prices of the concert ticket and the ballet ticket. Concert ticket is for $75 and ballet ticket is for $25. So just add them. The correct option is 100. So that means no, $94 is not enough to buy both tickets, right? So the correct option is no. So the correct option is no, $94 is not enough. Okay, the next one is how much money does Ima need to buy a red sweater and pink sweater? So which is the correct option? Just add the prices of red sweater and pink sweater. So the price of the red sweater is 13.74 and the price of the pink sweater is 16.61. So when you add that costs $30.35. So option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, $30.35. Luke has $341. Does he have enough to buy a set of bunk beds and a kitchen table? So which is the correct option? The bunk bed cost $195 and kitchen table cost $146. Just add the prices and see if he have enough money. That is 195 plus 146. Together they cost $341, right? And yes, he have $344. So yes, that he have enough money to buy, right? The correct option is the correct option is yes. Option number one is the correct option. How much more does a beach postcard cost than a whale keychain? So, the 0.77 out of 0.26. So, 0.51 is the correct option, right? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is unit prices. Let's just start with the unit prices. So, what does unit prices mean? Unit means one, right? So, unit price mean the price of one thing. A 9 pack of toaster pastries cost $4.14. What is the unit price? So basically, unit means one. You need to calculate the price of one item, one thing, right? You can see here a 9 pack of toaster pastries. That means that is the price of nine pastries, right? That is $4.14. You need to calculate the price of one pastry. So you have to divide 4.14 divided by 9, right? So 4.14 divided by 9 is 0.46. So that means the price of one pastry is 0.46. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test question. Let's just see how do we calculate the unit prices, right? So if you need help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on this live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you during the shift timing, right? That is from Monday to Friday and 9 to 5. Okay, a 7 pound bag of onions costs $2.73. What is the unit price? So basically, that is the 7 pound bag. So 7 pound onion costs $2.73. You need to calculate the price of 1 pound onion. So you have to do 2.73 divided by 7. You can divide use 7 times 3 is 21 and 7 times 9 is 63. So the correct option is 0.39 is the correct option. So that means the 1 pound onions cost $0.39. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The next one is a 2 pack of hot dogs cost $1.80. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? So the correct option is $0.90, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. You have to divide $1.80 by 2, so that would be $0.90. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is a 4 pack of sweatshirts cost $11.96. So what is the unit price? You need to calculate the price of one shirt. So which is the correct option? You have to divide 11.96 by 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 11.96 divided by 4 is $2.99. Option number 1 is the correct option. You simply have to divide 11.96 by 4. So the cost of one t-shirt sweatshirt is $2.99. Got it, everyone? A 5-meter roll of brown paper costs $0.35. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? That is 0.07. Option number 1 is the correct option. A 9 pack of toaster pastries cost $4.14. What is the unit price? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 0.46 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is unit prices with unit conversions. Let's just start with the next lesson. A foot, a 5 foot piece of aluminium wire costs $10.80. What is the price per inch? So understand the question first, right? Here you are given the price of 5 foot piece of aluminium, that is $10.80. But you need to calculate the price of per inch. First you need to you have to do the unit conversion, right? You have to convert the 5 foot to inches first, right? Because you need to calculate the price of per inch. So we know that you have to use the basic conversion unit, 1 foot equal 12 inches. So because you have 5 foot, so that means 5 times 12 is 60. So that is the price of 60 inches. $10.80 is the price of 60 inches, right? So divide 10.80 by 60, that is 0.18. So you have to do unit conversion also, right? Price of the unit, but you have to convert it into inches also, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself later today. They are already solved. Okay, so let me just start with the first question, and that is the same we just did, but let me explain. Okay, a 5 foot aluminium wire costs $10.80. What is the price per inch? See here the unit is inches and here the price is for 5 foot, right? First you have to convert this 5 foot to inches. We know that 1 foot equal 12 inches, right? So convert the 5 foot to inches. 5 foot equal 5 times 12, that is 60 inches, right? So $10.80 is the price of 60 inches. Divide 10.80 by 60, right? The correct option is $0.18 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. So that means the price of 1 inch is $0.18. Option number 1 is the correct option. A 2-yard roll of a butcher paper costs $3.90. What is the price per foot? So you are given that is 2 yard is $3.90. You have to convert it into foot first, right? So that is yard to foot conversion. You have to convert 2 yards to foot. So you have to convert use the basic units. We know that 1 yard equal 3 feet. The basic units we are going to use, we know that 1 yard equal 3 feet. Yeah, feet or foot, right? So you have to convert 2 yards. So you have to do 2 times 3. So that equals 6 foot, right? Now you need to divide that 3.90 by 6. Then that would be the cost of 1 foot. Got it? So the correct option is 6 times. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is $0.65 is the correct option. That means the price of 1 foot is $0.65. A 3-gallon bucket of paint cost $141.60. What is the price per cup? So first thing you have to convert from gallons to cup, right? Because the price you are given is for the gallons, but you have to convert from gallons to cup. So the basic conversion unit is 1 gallon equal 16 cups. 1 gallon equals 16 cups, right? So then that means 3 gallons equal 3 times 16. 3 times 16 is 48 cups, right? So now you have to divide that. Basically, 141.60 is the price of 48 cups. So simply divide it by the 48, right? I'm going to use calculator. 140.60 divided by 48 equals, which is the correct option. that is $2.95. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is $2.95. Okay, the next one is a 2 gallon bottle of fabric softener costs $16.96. What is the price per cup? So we just learned the conversion unit from gallons to cups. So 1 gallon equal how many cups? So that is 1 gallon equals 16 cups, right? So you have now 2 gallons. So for convert the 2 gallons to cups first. So 2 gallons equal 2 times 16, that is 32 cups. So that means the price of 16.96 is for 32 cups. So divide it by the 32 and let's see which is the correct option. That is, you have to divide 16.96 divided by 32. So the correct option is 0.53. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1, that is 0.53, right? Okay, let's just move on to next one. A 2 quart container of window cleaner cost $4.64. So what is the price per pint? So here you have to convert from quart to pint first, right? So 1 quart equal how many pints? 1 quart equal 2 pints, right? 1 quart equal 2 pints. So that means 2 quarts equal 2 times 2, that is 4 pints, right? Now you have to divide 4.64 divided by 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1.16 is the correct option, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. A 4 pound bag of sugar costs $17.92. What is the price per ounce? 1 pound equal 16 ounces. 1 pound equal 16 ounces, right? So 4 pounds equal 16 times 4, that is 48 ounces, right? So divide 17.92 by 14, so 48. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 17.92 divided by 48 equals 0.24. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. The chapter we were working on is, that is, consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are price list, unit prices, and unit prices with conversions. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat option. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related lessons we have just finished, you can please ask questions. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.